Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. A lot has happened. A lot. Don't need to recap the 2 months between COVID, landscaping, another project.
A trip
vacation.
to Arizona.
Yeah, trip to Arizona, vacation, painting, lots of painting. Anyway, so we are putting in bookshelves. It's been like a month and a half, 2 months since I posted it. 2 months. We're gonna call it 2 months since I posted the video, but we're back. We painted the library. This is the library. We changed the color from a white-ish, grayish color to a nice bluish color. We've gotten most of the shelves painted. So there's half of them right there. The other half of them are out in the garage. And today we are putting in the uprights and finishing up the bookshelves, at least in this video. Finish the bookshelves tomorrow, but up today. So what we've done is we've got the uprights here. We're setting them. We figured out how far from the corner, from the wall to this shelf here, where that goes. So that corner piece will set in there. And then we've taken our crossbar right here. You can tell that we've drilled them. So we have set these up. We set the verticals where they go. We bolted these on. They bolt on here into the piece. You can see that there. Fit like that. We figured out where the studs were. We marked these and we got them drilled for the studs. That's customization you're gonna have to do for your own house. So right now we are going to start screwing those to the wall, because those cross pieces there are what hold the entire shelf from tipping over and make it so you can do pull-ups on them. So we're gonna start setting these up.
Right.
Close-ish. That's on my mark. Square that up. Close-ish, yeah.
Nice thing is we can worry about fully straightening the uprights and everything once that's bolted into the wall.
Mm-hmm.
We can just kind of wiggle them around until they're level.
That is right on the line. Relatively straight down. It's a little better. And push that in.
Alright.
Now, next one of these, this is number 3. And here's that's the top. And then we have the laptop. I think I might verify the studs are where they're supposed to be before I put this in. You want to hand me the bolt over there?
Yeah.
Right place. All right. We're gonna put the board on. Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me. All right, so we got this side up. We still have to get all the shelves put in, but it is secured to the wall. Next off, we're moving to this one here. We'll get it put in, and then we can drop all our corner shelves in and start screwing the shelves in. So that's where we're moving to next.
Hooray!
Here we go. Hold on. There we go. Get away just a little bit. Approximately right there. Approximately. Good. Oh gosh, not work. So I'm using a 2 7/8 timber lock. The reason I'm using this is, well, the length is right, and it's got the Torx and flat head, and they're already painted black, so I don't have to paint them. I hate painting.
It's true. He didn't help me with this at all. I did all the painting in here.
She did a great job. And looked great doing it.
Alright.
And that box can go just right back there.
Please don't smash our internet.
What, you want me to break the internet? Alright, we're gonna do ratchet strap. These are gonna sit in here like that. So this one's twisted like that. We gotta twist it back.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember you told me we would need to do that.
Will.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, that's where my screw went.
Yes.
I wonder if there's a nail around here somewhere.
Oh, I wouldn't be surprised.
Case of this thing missing nail.
Win?
Success! Beautiful. I'll flip that one over.
Where's the one with the bend?
Wow.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Ooh, ooh, hey. Would you look at that? That's gonna look cool.
It already looks
really
cool.
cool.
And I don't even have anything on it yet.
Want to run out to the garage and grab me a ratchet strap?
Sure.
So what I'm doing with this right here is the boards are square, the ends of the boards are square, and the board touches the wall at the back, so it's square at the back, square out, and then as I pull it together, it's going to pull the shelves to straight. So it'll be tight at this end here, tight at that end there, so that pulls my uprights nice and straight all the way. And then I can push it back to the wall, and that makes everything nice and square. So I'm going to show you here. So we got the board straight and square against the wall here. If you look right here, we got a gap between, maybe you can't see it very well, we got a gap between the steel and the end of the board. We're just going to tighten this ratchet strap up a little bit, like that. And you see right here, that gap closed up. So we got a nice gap, nice tight all the way across there. And so this one is square with the wall now. Now, it'll be pushed down this way to be square with everything else. We're gonna take the rest of the ratchet straps and we're gonna pull this one in so you can pull everything nice and tight and square. And then there's little holes in here. See that and that? We're gonna put screws up into the shelves. So that's what we're doing. We're gonna just pull it everything nice and tight and square and nice and straight. So the shelves will be perfect. All right. Oh, wait, no. All right, shelves are finished. Look good. Hi. They're solid and not going anywhere.
You should have been a gymnast, honey.
Thank you. I ain't going nowhere. No, it's all yeah, nice and solid. So we're gonna get the books all stacked on them, and there you go. Thanks for watching.